Sir, you were charged with unlawful carrying of a weapon and you're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you, sir.
Yes, Judge. On December 27, 2024, the officer observed the defendant's vehicle failed to maintain a single lane and veering over the left lane on 3 separate occasions. A traffic stop wasn't conducted, and the officer made contact with the defendant, the driver of the vehicle. The defendant advised he was unlicensed and that the motor vehicle was not insured. The officer observed a strong odor of marijuana emitting from the passenger area of the vehicle, and the defendant voluntarily produced a partially burnt marijuana cigarette and stated it was the possible source of the smell. The officer conducted a search of the defendant's identifying information, which yielded an open felony warrant for continuous violence, and a search of the defendant's left jean pocket yielded a clear plastic baggie containing a green leafy substance. The substance was identified as marijuana based on training experience. The defendant's motor vehicle was searched incident to arrest and yielded an unholstered AR-15 pistol on the front.
AR-15?
AR-15 pistol, Your Honor. And the defendant acknowledged ownership of the firearm and stated he used it for protection since his brother is a famous rapper.
Find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case. I'm ordering you now as a condition of your bond not to consume alcohol, illegal drugs, or unprescribed controlled medication. I'm going to randomly test you. If I find that you're using, I'm going to put you in jail. Do you understand? You do not have a Texas driver license. You are not allowed to drive. You will be signing an affidavit with me today promising me you're not going to drive. I don't care what's going on in this life. I don't care where you got to go. I don't care what you got to do. If you don't have a license and liability insurance, do not drive. Do you understand? How old are you, sir? What do you do for a living? Why?
I don't work.
How do you support yourself? How do you support yourself?
My brother supporting me out. I ain't go out looking for a job yet.
It's time. I will provide you a lawyer today, but it's time to get a job, a full-time job. When you have too much time on your hands, you become self-destructive. Not here. Do you understand?
Sir.
All right. Do you mind giving me an application, please? I need you to fill out an application for me. I'm going to have you sign a receipt of Victoria. I'm going to have you meet with Fleischer for your bond conditions, and then we're going to go